everybody, it's Kim of Jolie Noire. Today's video, I am showing you guys a review of this amazing hair. I've gotten so many comments and compliments on this hair that I decided to show you guys where I got it from and my thoughts on it and the process that I took to get it. Before you do keep watching, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can always be reminded of when we upload a new video. Have a good one, guys, and enjoy the video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on my hair. This video has actually been pretty highly requested on this YouTube platform as well as my Instagram at KeysToLuxeLife. A lot of people have really liked the curls that I've done, my wand curls. I've done wand curls and then kind of set, if you will, on flexi rods for a Jolie Noire photo shoot that we just had for our product, for our new product. So don't forget to shout out Jolie Noire. Just putting that plug in there. But then also just my straight hair. I've actually liked my straight hair with this hair. This hair has a lot of volume to it. It's not as silky as hair that I've worn in the past. And so yeah, I am really loving this hair. Keandra and I over like 15 years ago, I believe. No, it's been 14 years ago. We started wearing sew-ins and we were introduced to Malaysian hair. So just a straight, silky Malaysian hair, very beautiful hair. For this particular hair, the way that I even went to the particular company that I went to get the hair is that if you guys are familiar with the extended ponytail hairstyle that I did last year, where it's the curly hair and it kind of blends well with the wave texture of my hair. That's the first hair that I actually got from Aliexpress, and that's where I got this hair from too. Different company, but still Aliexpress. And so if you guys want to see that video, I'll definitely link it down in the description box for you guys. But and then it'll also be in the playlist after this video is over. I got this hair from Alipop on Aliexpress, and it is Peruvian. It's kinky, straight Peruvian hair, so it doesn't really have a curl to it. It has a kink to it, and I wanted something that was going to kind of mimic my hair when it's blown out and dry, because I wanted something that's going to give me more volume with curls, because I do know that when I curl my natural hair, it swells, and I want it swollen hair, if you will, because I wanted it to be big. I ended up getting two 26 inches, a 24 inch, and a 22 inch lengthened hair. I don't have a closure. I just have a traditional sew-in with fairly minimal leave out. And all of this hair costs $141, like, and 39 cents. No lie. If you guys are familiar with purchasing hair, like my 26 inch hair that I've purchased before has been anywhere from $120 to $150 for one bundle. It is so impressive to purchase good quality hair for that amount. Like I said, the way that I even got introduced to purchasing hair on AliExpress was because I took a risk on purchasing curly hair, something that I wasn't like super committed to. I wasn't super committed to this hair because it's a kinky style or texture hair, and so I wasn't really sure what I was going to get. If anybody knows me and knows me well, they know that I like to purchase testers or, you know, kind of try things out before diving in and committing to something a little bit more expensive. Now, would I go to a more expensive hair knowing that I absolutely love this hair? No, I actually wouldn't. I would support my, because we have lots of friends, and our hairstylist, she sells hair. I would still definitely support them, you know, because I like to support, but I really like it, so I would still purchase this hair too. I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. I know a lot of people have concerns about hair tangling, hair shedding, things like that, and I'll be honest, this hair does have some tangle to it when it's down in the back. It does shed a bit, but I've not had any hair that doesn't shed or tangle to some degree, you know? The shedding and the tangling is not terrible. I've had hair that has been very hard to work with because it tangled so bad. But this hair is not like that. You know, just brushing it out, and it's kind of got some tangles to it right now. But as I brush it out, it's fine. I really do though. Like I said, I love this hair, and it's hair that I would purchase again. I did color it in a jet black because I wear my hair jet black. I have like dark brown hair. I straightened it out a little bit this morning. And so, but I'm gonna show you guys when I straighten it to get it a little bit straighter. What I do one pass with it so that it can still have a little bit of volume to it, so it won't be bone straight and just like that. It has a nice little sheen to it, just like healthy hair. I'm gonna flat iron one side of my hair, and then I'm gonna curl with the wand the other side. If you saw my other video when we were in Vegas, I did my whole head with wand curls. I'm gonna do one side like that, let it sit. So I'm gonna first curl it, let it sit so that you guys can see how the curls naturally fall a little bit while I flat iron my hair. I'm gonna use my glove. Now this glove, I know somebody said that they were gonna get them one. If you find one, please let me know because I want to get another one. But this glove here came with my Cortex curling wand. So I would love to get another one. So yeah, this time I'm not gonna go and spray each individual section with holding spray. I'm just gonna spritz it at the end. And then that way, we'll see how they fall. You probably can't see how I'm doing the curls. I'll try to zoom in on it, but if you want to see how I did the curls, in that video when I was in Vegas, I did the kind of like told you guys how I got the curls that I got and showed you how to do it and everything. And I'm also going to use kind of fairly large sections. I've purchased things like little flip-flops, keychains, oh goodness, phone cases, things like that from Aliexpress before. And so not all of the vendors are the same. Not all of them operate the same. But the two companies that I've purchased from the hair they have been super phenomenal, very responsive to correspondence. They've initiated a lot of correspondence throughout the process. So Alipop, they were really good about initiating the first contact to make sure that my address was correct so that it could get to the right place. They told me when my package was here, although I was already watching, but sometimes people don't watch, you know, for packages. And so they told me that it was here because they were watching, just making sure they wanted to know, you know, if I got it okay and everything like that. And I really appreciated that because when you're shopping through a foreign country, it's kind of risky, you know, because you don't know the people, you can't touch them, you know, you can't go, like, I'm not gonna go to California if I purchase something from California, but the likelihood of me being able to have, you know, backup in case I need some sort of backup is a lot greater here than in a foreign country. Not only did their product arrive on time, it actually got here a lot sooner, I think, like by a day or two earlier than what was quoted. I appreciated that. And then like I said, they gave you the courtesy of checking in and making sure that you got it when it was delivered. So they had fast shipping, it was free shipping. So, you know, you rarely get free shipping that's fast. So it was affordable hair and it got to me fast. And I really like that about the company. So like I said, if you're wanting to shop from Alipop, that is the name of the company. I will put a link next to my hair and the links. I'm also 5'9". The hair, it hits me mid-waist length. And like I said, my longest length is a 26. I cannot remember off the top of my head if they go up to a 30, but I think they do. All right, so now that I have my hair curled on this side, haven't touched this side yet, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tresemme. This is the Stronghold, it says with touchable feel, the extra firm control. I like to use this one because it's a really good holding spray. I don't have a large bottle of this. This is my travel one and I actually need to get more of it. I brought it in here for ease of use because I usually use like this white bottle one from I think Walgreens or something, but I didn't feel like bringing that full bottle in here. So I brought this one. So I'm just gonna spray this one, or not this one, spray my hair. Gonna go under. Okay, and that's for hold. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this side. And I'm still gonna use fairly large chunks because this hair has already been flat ironed, and so it doesn't really need a whole lot. That's like the perfect thing about this hair. It doesn't have hold a lot of bends in it, so it doesn't get a lot of heavy dents in it. So I don't have to do too much because I wrap my hair up at night in a ball and then it comes down. It has a little bit of a wave, but unlike my other hair, I've had to do a lot of flat ironing too. But for this hair, for some reason, I love that I don't have to work as hard to get it flat ironed. I have my Babyliss Pro that I've had for years, and it flat irons beautifully. So this is the hair. You see how straight that's getting? So pretty. I love it. And I don't want my hair bone straight. I'm not someone who, I don't really like to wear my hair straight, but I like this because it gives me volume, which is why I don't like to wear my hair straight, because I lose my volume. So with this hair though, I'm able to have both. And this flat iron is on 450. I tried it on 350, but it didn't get as straight as I wanted it to. Like, I wanted it straight, but not super straight. And doing one pass with it on 450 helps to get it as straight as I want it and quicker. All right, and so there you have it. Now I have straightened this side. It is beautiful. Like I said, it has a nice natural sheen to the hair. I haven't added any oils or anything like that to the extensions, just to my hair. It blends beautifully. She used all 4 of the bundles except for a really small piece. I don't know where I put that piece actually, because I need it. I need it for, because I'm gonna make clips out of it so that when my hair gets a little bit older, I've had it in for, I got it done at the end of March, and so here we are middle of May, so about a month and a half is how long I've had my hair done. And so it's almost time for me to get my clip-ins. So I really like it. And so now what I'm gonna do, if you can tell, the curls fell just a little bit, but I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm gonna brush out this side so that you guys can see how much volume it's gonna get. I just take it, I'm gonna brush it like this. Usually when I'm wearing my hair, with it all over, I flip it over and things like that, but I can't do that right now. I'm gonna take this hair, split it, pull this over here. I'm gonna tease right in here. All right, and so that's my hair. Like I said, if I had it on this side, I would flip, you know, my hair down so I can get a little bit more volume in it. But yeah, I really like the volume that this has. And so they kind of come up to just under the bust when it's curled, and then it goes down to the waist when it's straight. So what I usually do, I do spritz my hair at the end, because when you pull the curls out with a brush, it does tend to relax them a little bit, and then it falls. So I just spritz it a little bit more. you.